Hey guys, today we want to take you along to one of our favorite places in Tanzania, the Plantation Lodge. Situated in the middle of the Ngorongoro Highlands at over 1,600 meters above sea level, the lodge is surrounded by green lush farms and beautiful nature. It is the perfect spot to stay if you decide on going on a safari to world-famous Ngorongoro Crater or Lake Manyara National Park.
What is very special about this place is that all the rooms in the Plantation Lodge are really individually designed. So they have their own theme, their own size, their own decoration. And we were very lucky and fortunate to actually have visited 25 of them, and we loved all of them. This is, for example, what a standard room looks like. There are in total 15 of them, and they are all with bright colors and extremely tasteful designed bathroom.
The suites at the Plantation Lodge are all awesome, but this one, the Heliconia suite, was probably the best one. The perfect private realm for families with kids. And this suite also includes a second living/bedroom, a large private terrace, and the possibility for family dinners. Next up was the Plantation Suite. This suite, similar like the Heliconia suite, has an interconnecting door to increase the room immensely, ideal for families, as well as a nice courtyard where families can have a private dinner here as well.
Cool, an old German map. Amazing. From Tanga. Yeah, it's the coastline. Coffee house.
As you can see, the amazing thing about the Plantation Lodge is no room is alike, and also families really have their privacy and yet still a lot of luxury.
And last but not least, we arrived at our room, the Zanzibar suite.
Nice to meet you.
Hi, thank
you're
you.
welcome. I'm happy.
Thank you very much. Asante.
This is your room.
Yes, thank you. Thank you very much. This is the Zanzibar suite.
Yes, Zanzibar suite.
Yeah, I can see the Zanzibari beds.
Yes.
And also the table is Zanzibari. The lighting. And you are from Zanzibar? Just making a joke.
Really? Are you from where?
From Germany?
France.
Wow. It's amazing. It's beautiful. It is, yes. At home, yeah. Wow.
This theme in this room is really well represented. And apart from the enormous bathroom, another cool feature in our suite was the upper level with a cozy sofa bed, which offers an amazing view and an overview of the bedroom itself.
And to finish off an amazing stay at the Plantation Lodge, we have to mention the great food we ate throughout the entire stay, especially the dinner, a 4-course menu. And later that night, we discovered another secret of the Plantation Lodge. Its very own beautiful secret wine cellar in which we shared a glass of wine. Absolutely amazing. We really can't wait to be back here. It's truly a magical place.